Hi, I'm Steve, and I'm at the Kirkland Prospect Hill Cemetery, a historical cemetery in a very rural area. Hopefully we find some nice historical graves, some cultural aspects of the area from years ago, and some stories to tell. Rural cemeteries, some of them are taken care of extremely well. All the gravestones, very good care. And then some you go to and the bare minimum grass cut, and that's about it. And some other ones I've been to are completely overgrown and have no such care. It's always nice to have care. When I walk around, I try to pick up the flags and clean around veterans' graves if I can. Now, rural cemeteries always have some form of biodiversity of plants and animals. In rural cemeteries, you find a lot of lichens and fungi, mushrooms, obviously birds in abundance. There normally are a lot of conifers, specifically pines and spruces. Actually here I did find a rabbit's foot and part of its leg. So there are definitely, you know, rabbits around the area, and for me to only find a part of it, there must be some predators around as well. But you can definitely find a lot of biodiversity around the area, even though they are manicured. I hope you enjoyed my short video in this rural cemetery with some historical graves. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment and share this video. Look out for more videos on my channel, including hiking, kayaking, waterfalls, historical towns, and first drive vehicle reviews. Also, there is a donate link in the video's description and in my YouTube bio.